In a groundbreaking development in personal transportation, a new mobility scooter has been unveiled that promises to redefine ease of travel and adaptability for users. This innovative scooter, highlighted in a recent Autoevolution article, features cutting-edge technology that allows it to mold itself to the user's needs and can be conveniently folded for air travel, setting a new standard for portable mobility solutions. This revolutionary scooter represents a significant leap forward in the realm of mobility aids. Unlike traditional models, which often prioritize either comfort or portability, this scooter ingeniously combines both attributes into a single, versatile device. Its ability to adapt to the user's body and environment promises to offer an unprecedented level of comfort and convenience. The scooter's standout feature is its adaptive design, which allows it to mold itself to the user's specific needs. This is achieved through an advanced system of adjustable components and sensors that continuously monitor the user's posture and movements. By adjusting the seating, backrest, and armrests dynamically, the scooter ensures optimal support and comfort, whether the user is sitting, standing, or moving. This adaptability not only enhances user comfort but also contributes to a safer and more secure riding experience, reducing the risk of strain or discomfort during extended use. Another major innovation is the scooter's portability. Designed with frequent travelers in mind, it can be folded into a compact form that meets airline regulations for carry-on luggage. This feature makes it particularly appealing for individuals who require mobility aids while traveling, allowing them to bring their scooter along without the need for additional arrangements or separate transport. The folding mechanism is engineered to be intuitive and quick, ensuring that users can easily transition between using their scooter and storing it in overhead compartments or luggage areas. In terms of performance, the scooter does not compromise on functionality. It is equipped with a robust motor and durable battery, providing sufficient range and power for everyday use. The intuitive control system ensures that users can maneuver the scooter effortlessly, while its advanced suspension system offers a smooth ride across various terrains. Additionally, the scooter's lightweight design makes it easy to handle and transport, further enhancing its appeal for those on the go. Safety features are also a key component of this new mobility scooter. It includes built-in sensors and stability controls that help prevent tipping and ensure smooth operation on uneven surfaces. Furthermore, the scooter's design incorporates reflective elements and bright LED lights to enhance visibility, making it a safe choice for both day and night use. This mobility scooter is poised to make a significant impact on the market by addressing common challenges faced by users of traditional mobility aids. Its blend of adaptability, comfort, and portability sets it apart from existing options, catering to a growing demand for more versatile and user-friendly solutions. In summary, the new adaptive and foldable mobility scooter represents a major advancement in personal transportation technology. Its ability to mold to the user's needs and its convenient foldability for air travel market as a game-changer for those seeking both comfort and practicality in their mobility solutions. As it prepares to enter the market, this scooter is expected to offer a new level of freedom and ease for travelers and everyday users alike, making it a noteworthy addition to the evolving landscape of mobility aids.